Yo, what's good, everybody? Back with another video, and this is going to be pretty much the first video of my new engine rebuild series. So what I have here in the box is the core head I ended up finding, a used 2JZ GE VVTi core head. Luckily I got it for a pretty good price. I was just waiting to find a core because I already have a brand new in the box GTE VVTi bottom end in my basement. So I was just kind of, last thing I wanted to do was spend a whole bunch of extra money on a built head or refreshed head that I didn't need. So I was like, let me just wait it out, try and find a good core. And yeah, I haven't opened it up yet, so hopefully this core is good. This up, as you guys will see, I'm bringing it straight to the machine shop around the corner for my for where I am. So gonna get it pressure tested first, and then once that's all set, well, knock on wood, hopefully it is all set and ready to go, then that's when I'll be ordering the other parts for the head, like the valve springs, valves, valve guides, retainers, all that stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty much a fully built head with camshafts too. Yeah, so let me open this up and I'll be right back. Alright, so there we go. I got it all opened up. I'm not going to take it out of the box because I'm literally bringing it to the machine shop right now after I turn this camera off. So yeah, it's just got no cams but stock valves. It looks pretty good. I mean, it looks clean. Like, you can't see anything at least wrong with it to the eye. So yeah, it's going to be fully built head, not ported or anything, because that's just overkill for my goal. The goal is only like 750, 700 to 800, if that. Mainly 750 because I don't want to push a stock GTE block too much. So yeah, it's mainly what you got to do is the head work if you have a GTE block, in my opinion, if you're not trying to make over 800 or something like that. So yeah, this will help me definitely get some gains, spool the turbo quicker, better drivability, excuse me, and whatnot. Yeah, you guys know. So next clip, I'm going to show you guys when I'll be dropping this off at the machine shop. So I'll see you then. Alright, so we're here, machine shop now. Got the head tucked away, box. Good thing I got the wagon, and yeah. See what he has to say, see if I can get some video. Well, you know how people are, they don't like to be recorded, so I'll try and get on my phone then. But yeah, if I think I'll finish our outro to the video, so I'll be right back.
5.5.
5.5
roughly.
All right, cool. All right, that's not bad.
Because I have to check things. I mean, like the guides where the valves ride. I'm assuming that they're okay. If they're shot and I got to put guides in, it would be more, you know what I mean? But
yeah,
on an average rebuild, they don't necessarily wear out. Toyotas have been pretty good in general. So, but there is always that question where if you had a few bad valves or a few bad guides, that can change the price.
All right, how much extra do you think it would?
Well, valves are about $20 a piece, and guides are like.
Well, I got aftermarket valves. I'm going to be getting. I even got the valve guides like in that invoice too.
So you got everything then.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I want it like fully.
Okay.
Like,
well, the pot shouldn't change it then. So I see you're probably looking at about 5.5 or so.
with the valve guides then.
Or, what are they? Bronze guides?
Let me see.
I mean, good. Well, it's a much easier job because bronze guides you can't. How would you say? Make them bigger without honing them, and it's real difficult. You have to have a lot of tooling to do it correctly.
All right.
I've done it, but it's just tedious. It's very time consuming.
I get it. Yeah.
But if it's just the stock guides, which are cast iron, that's not an issue at all. I can modify them or change them or anything like that.
Cool. Yeah. If that's something you can, if we can just do as you see or whatever.
Grab that kit. Let me make sure it's good first before you order it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't. Yeah, that's why I was like, I literally got it in yesterday and shot right over here today just to make sure because it's got the eBay money back guarantee. So
yeah, let me pressure test it first. And then, like you said, get that kit, and then we'll put everything in and make it right for you.
All
right, cool.
That fucking motor's popular, huh? That Jay-Z shit. Everybody talks about that fucking shit.
Yeah.
I'm not a motor guy. This is my uncle, and he knows this shit. So I'll build you a house, but I see I watch YouTube.
Two Jay-Z's. I don't even know if they ever came to America.
Yeah.
Most of them are imported, if I remember right.
Yeah, or they sell the brand, you can buy the brand new block from Toyota. I bought one already.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like already all assembled in the box and everything.
Okay.
But the US ones are like, that came out of like the IS300 and the GS. They're the non-turbo ones. But they're still good for like 400 horsepower.
Right.
But then you can like rebuild it. Like this is the non-turbo head, and the non-turbo head flows better than the turbo one.
Really?
Yeah, because
that's what I'm saying. I watch YouTube a lot, and they talk. I watch car shit, but I don't know car shit. But that name, I always hear that fucking name on that motor. Everybody's like got a hot on.
There was a family that come around. I can't think of it. Chris, the father. They love these two Jay-Z's. And the son did a one Jay-Z just a little bit ago.
Really?
Yeah.
What did he get done to that? Does he
did a bore and a hone, and he usually puts the one Jay-Z. He didn't do it, but the two Jay-Z's, he usually even buys replacement main caps.
Yeah, the billet main caps.
Billet main caps. That's a very expensive ordeal, though, because you have to fit them. They don't just bolt in.
How much is that usually? Yeah,
I would think it's pretty close to $1,000 to get it.
Just the
Yeah.
Wow. Because I thought about doing that too, but that's if you're making over like 1,000.
Yeah, exactly. That's what these guys
do. What is that?
do.
A 4-cylinder motor?
Straight six.
Yeah. 6-cylinder.
Yeah.
And you're getting fucking what, 400 without
I just left the dyno and made like 450 wheel, 400 torque.
Now with a turbo.
With a turbo.
With a turbo.
It's all
fucking
with
crazy.
a turbo.
Your error 350, you know what I mean, or a little fucking 6-cylinder now is putting out what you had in 396s and 454.
You can get. They just came out with like a cast block too. Well, not cast. What's a different material? It's like a dart. You might be heard of the company.
Dart.
They came out with like a different. I forgot.
Aluminum.
I can't think of the material. Not even in between the billet and the stock one, so
really?
you can run like coolant through it and stuff like that.
Okay. What do you run that in? Do you mind me asking?
The IS300 wagon right outside.
Oh, so you're building this motor to put in that car?
Yeah, to rebuild to turn up the boost for like 800 horsepower, 750.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Think about that. And what's that car weigh? $2,000? The most 22.
No, like 3,000, 32. But I'm trying to get it like lighter. But yeah,
that's what I'm saying.
It's light compared to like a lot of cars nowadays.
It's light, and you're fucking trying to get 800 horsepower out of that little fucking thing. That's a grenade.
Nah, I know. Yeah.
What's the seconds on that car at 800 horsepower?
Like quarter mile?
Yeah.
Oh well, I know people. They're in like the 7s.
Really?
Yeah, 6s. The 2J, look it up. They're in the 5s and other chassis. They put it in any car, and it's just like a clamshell car. And yeah, they're like been in the 5s, rear wheel drive, no all wheel drive.
That's fucking crazy.
The other